You are now listening to the number one podcast in Sabah.
Anda sedang mendengar Kinabalu Podcast.
I was going to rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Praise be to Allah.
Coming to you live from Sabah. This is Kinabalu Podcast.
Podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh orang Kota Maru tinggal Jepun.
Ikutilah perjalanan Johan mempromosikan Aomori di Jepun.
Subscribe, like dan juga share channel Lagu Dari Langit dan cari playlist di sana Orang Kota Maru tinggal Jepun untuk mengetahui tentang Aomori Japan for sure.
Yeah man, untuk mengetahui lebih lanjut layari www.kinabalupodcast.com hari ini.
Yeah, now let's
Tiga lelaki, dua bapa, satu bujang. Podcast pertama paling ini tidak kurang.
Di sama nombor satu yang lain boleh pulang. Info terkini tajuk best paling mana. Si Kado botak janggut lebat tiada lawan. Kenny ketawa boleh sampai pecah syawak. Si Faizal pula bagi punchline lipat awak.
Kami training, kami ranking, jom jadi kawan. Dari yang dekat mari sini jangan jauh. Volume kasih up, kasih gempa baru jago.
Jokes kami cool, lawak masuk cool. Kadang kami carut sama macam tiga Abdul. Come on everybody, let's move to the beat. Crack the volume up, dengar podcast tidak stupid. Jangan jauh, mari kami bau. Ciao, bella ciao, ciao, bella ciao.
Welcome back to the second part of season 9 episode 7. Season 9 episode 7, right?
Yep.
Yeah, season 9 episode 7.
Saya mau burp.
First part tadi, wow.
Inspiring actually.
Very inspiring, very.
I know every time we see like a guest kan cakap gitu kan.
Yeah, tapi this
I
one
say that inspiring. Ini betul-betul like give me the strength to live, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I
Dia
mean-
kira like living with a disability, and he is so optimistic that he can like make a joke about it even.
Yeah, I actually got problem just now.
What?
I don't know. I should feel what. I don't know how to feel.
Oh, okay.
What should I feel? Because Syah buat joke. I mean, a good vibe lah, good dude lah, very
He's,
good dude lah. Very,
he's optimistic lah.
Yeah, man.
He's living life, man.
I think I'm pretty sure that in Singapore or the community yang having disability yang probably like that begitu juga kan.
Yeah.
Mungkin diorang ada group or something. I think Syah can be the ambassador atau can be spokesman for the
Like a
community.
motivation speaker
Yeah,
pun dia
yeah,
juga.
yeah.
He can definitely do that.
Yeah,
Definitely.
with the jokes especially.
Yeah. Kan?
Yeah, with the KGB.
Remind me again, what the heck is KGB again?
Kudung,
Aha. Gemuk.
botak.
Kudung gemuk.
Cool dude, man. Shout out to you, bro.
Shout out to you, Shah. man.
Shout out to you, Syah.
You're the best, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm not even kidding. You're the best, man.
Ya, kalau dapat lebak kopi-kopi lagi power
Oh,
dia.
confirm power.
Sekejap.
meletup, ah.
Kopi-kopi and Maggi kari telur.
Cheese naan.
Wow. Bro, I want to share a story, lama very weird story, bro.
Okay. Hit me with that.
I encountered my sleeping position punya problem,
Okay.
because actually my wrist ni sangat sakit now. It's been a week now.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I never tiada jatuh, tiada apa, tapi I don't know what exactly happened. So
your wrist hurting when you wake up.
yeah.
Okay.
So saya pun macam suspicious sudah macam yang ada hantu tarik tangan aku kadang tidur.
Left or right?
Right hand.
When you wake up, the hand position is where? At the bottom or at the...
No need to touch lah. We are doing video podcast, damn it. You don't have to touch your tontolo lah.
Wait.
Okay.
I'm paranoid, so okay, mine is recording, yours is recording. Okay.
Okay.
I'm paranoid, man.
It's okay. Okay, so what happened?
Alright.
Memang saya tahu it happens during sleep. So saya tahu something wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, my position something wrong time tidur.
Alright.
So I told Nat lah, dia bilang memang kau weird cara kau tidur. Dia bilang kadang-kadang tangan kau begini dia bilang. So
Okay.
So ada satu kali ni saya tertidur ayam gitu kan, my position terlipat begitu tangan, then I was okay with it. Macam saya kasih bantal peluk and kasih begitu. So sampailah mungkin berjam situ begitu.
Okay.
So that is macam ada 2-3 hari dia hilang, dia bukan hilang, dia macam berkurang. So meaning to say
Okay.
yeah, we cannot do that much of visual, bro, because it's Spotify juga.
Oh, iyalah. You'll see this on TikTok.
Yeah, don't post that. So
Okay.
So saya saya pegang it's not that weird sebenarnya, tapi the thing is because probably saya jenis tidur tiarap, so saya tindih tangan saya sendiri. So the wrist sangat sakit, you know. So I cannot, my mic mau pegang pun susah. Phone pun saya sampai fikir kan macam mungkin saya terlampau pegang phone. Terlampau tengok phone gitu. I don't know, but yeah.
Coming back to yang kau tiarap tidur kan, I have a friend that suka tidur macam gitu je style.
Okay.
But yours is more extreme. So in my mind it's like this. Kau tidur sambil kau push up. Like this.
Itu push down tu all the way. Sebab tidak ada up, tidak ada down. Aduh.
Pushing up.
So agak sakit lah. Saya pun dah tahu mau pergi doktor pun paling dia suruh, I don't know until to the extent yang dia perlu di X-ray or not, but I think I'm just gonna change my position lah.
Change lah.
Sinet bilang beli tu yang you know yang macam supported punya pasal itu. So just for 5 days kau tengok macam mana. Yeah, shit.
You want cheaper punya recommendation? I can tell you can use the tali rapia, wrap it somewhere.
I don't like tali rapia punya itchiness.
You can use cotton punya.
I don't love cotton. I love LV and Prada and yalah.
Denim.
I don't. Oh yeah. Okay. Cikgu Fazli.
Yeah,
Cikgu
man.
Fazli Saleh.
Yeah,
Was
man.
it the name? Fadli Saleh.
Fadli
Saleh.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Pejuang pendidikan negara. I would dare say that.
Oh, berani. Okay.
Okay, saya berani.
Okay.
I like what he's. Dia berani lawan, as in his words, Napoleon kecil.
Yeah. Okay. Kita memang hype up dengan apa yang dia buat. Saya pun pernah kena ni benda kan.
Yes.
I just don't wanna share more out of that lah.
You
But,
sure?
Yeah. Because it's like this. It comes with the baggage.
Yes.
So if you think you are brave enough to support this and all, when they check your background, your RPH, your kehadiran datang sekolah, now I ask you, do you dare to say that again?
No.
Nah, see.
That's the thing.
Tapi dia kena check,
He's perfect, man.
He's perfect.
Yeah.
Everything was all done sampai dorang tidak dapat cari kesalahan.
Yeah.
Even yang bagus lagi yang keluar.
Yeah.
So that's why I do believe that memang banyak benda yang kita tidak positif dengan sistem dan structure yang telah ditetapkan. Tapi we can just only say because of dia orang mau hantam kita, probably mau check kita punya background. I mean, we are not bilang yang perfect person.
Yeah, we are humans, man.
Yeah, but saya pernah berlaku, and I told you the story, right? Sampai saya kena panggil pergi JPN and everything.
Yes.
And probably this one pun I can get cancelled and kena panggil balik. But I just wanna prolong this shit lah. But I support Cikgu Fazli. Apa yang dia cakap tu sangat betul. Kalau kerajaan ataupun kementerian tidak mengambil endah kisah pasal itu, aku rasa itu sangat bodoh lah.
Yes, betul.
About syllabus, even I talk to my math teacher di sana sebab dia ajar math kan. Kalau tanya juga, dia bilang syllabus macam tidak sesuai bagi tahun ini.
That is his take lah.
Sama macam mistake lah. Macam cikgu, one of my teacher in school lah, a few actually, Cikgu Ron, Cikgu Lucia, diorang memang ajar math. So diorang bilang macam tidak sesuai to the level of the thinking of the people yang that age.
Yes.
Actually, kalau saya sendiri, bila pembuat itu soalan, bagi saya ambil yang dari pedalaman. Ambil juga yang dari pedalaman as well. Why? Pedalaman doesn't have astro, doesn't have radio, doesn't have internet network and everything. So different people daripada demographically yang lived in the city, they way advanced, man. They way advanced.
They have the benefits.
Yeah, they
have access to the facilities that pedalaman tidak ada.
Tiada. So bila kau buat pasal I have got punya ayat yang very Americanized atau very the spoken English.
British.
How can you explain to the children in the pedalaman?
Yes,
I have got.
I have got. Apa itu? Boleh
Apa
makan.
itu? You know, kenapa kau pakai the slang, the type of yang tidak, bukan yang easy English, yang all yang sudah spoken English, which is of course kita akan bercakap nanti, tapi people in pedalaman doesn't understand that. Jangan bilang English. The Malay pun dorang susah mau faham.
Betul.
Because dorang cakap dusun. Dorang cakap even in deep lagi punya sekolah SKM and all.
Betul.
So bagi aku panggil the guru-guru dari pedalaman juga. Probably ada, but I think if they put on yang macam urban punya soalan sudah yang I don't know how they do this, but there's mesti ada flaws lah. Mesti ada yang boleh diperbaiki lagi lah.
Nothing is perfect, we know, but there are things that can be considered yang boleh diperbaiki lah, as you said lah.
And also I think Malaysia is rich enough and got money to invest on a tablet for all kids. All buku teks di situ.
Betul.
So tidak payah mau buku teks. Everything is there. The Malay ka, the BI ka, the whatever. Klik saja cari page berapa.
Betul.
And I think the teachers also should have one given by the kementerian.
And I would dare say, sorry to cut you man. I would dare say people will say that kena bagi ba kamu tablet dulu gitu. But the reality of this thing is that the tablet, keboleh guna pakai the tablet is very limited.
Bukan very limited, man. It's China shit inside. And then kau bagi yang kau bagi yang harga macam 300 punya, bukan kita memilih. The thing is memang susah mau load, susah mau apa pun. Dia punya simpanan pun susah.
It's 3G, not 4G. Sorry to say.
That's the reality.
That's the reality of things.
So what I'm saying, kenapa guru-guru perlu ada tab di dalam tu, please panggillah pencipta dari mana-mana, create an app yang kita boleh taruh RPG kita di dalam, kehadiran murid di dalam, APDM di dalam, semua everything is inside, bukan macam-macam website we have to go in. So and then kasih link dia sama APDM di sekolah. So bila orang datang, orang tu check di tab kamu, okay, RPG pun situ. So tiada kertas sudah kau terlibat.
Betul.
It save the environment as well, save the money, save the out of all the kertas yang kamu bagi, bagus kamu transfer as a tablet. So everybody, macam guru semua pun connected the tablet by Wi-Fi to a printer. Kalau dorang perlu apa-apa, klik tu print sana saja. And we can put all the marking, the band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the students di situ saja if you want to check. Easy.
In a cloud.
In a
school cloud.
So guru bawa satu tab, murid pun bawa satu tab. Okay, if they want to do a work, okay lah, boleh lah. Ada exercise book is okay. Tapi buku teks banyak waktu. I mean, yalah dari dulu memang banyak, but banyak sudah orang recommend buatlah apa ini, almari di sekolah, cupboard, apa ni?
Was that
locker, yes. Ada locker apa semua, tapi
still not implemented.
And
fully.
Some ada and also mostly tidak lah. Kalau kita tengok tu macam I didn't see any.
Not even a
because there's a homework bila kau mau buat di rumah, mesti ada buku teks. Asas dorang malas sudah berfikir begitu, dorang bawa balik saja the whole thing.
That's the thing. And buku beg berat lah gitu.
That's why.
A lot of things actually we can kupas pasal education ni, but janganlah, kita ni kan penjawat awam.
This is the thing. The PRU is coming really soon. So ada saya bercerita juga pasal di my workplace just now, ada bercerita juga pasal the democracy in Malaysia. How the pembangkang dulu bising asas jadi government. And then dorang marah pula orang yang mau bercakap pasal dorang masa membangkang pun bercakap juga pasal the government, the one yang govern the negara lah. So
what sort of a cycle is this? Kan?
So kenapa kau marah orang yang mau membangkang, sedangkan yang membangkang tu kau juga dulu sebelum kau jadi kerajaan kan?
You were there first.
And then especially yang government servant, even in Europe and US ataupun di Western countries lah, it is allowed because kita punya orang bilang freedom to talk, freedom of speech, freedom of sharing your thought,
your opinion.
So kenapa kita tidak boleh, bagi aku macam boleh berkempen. Kenapa tidak boleh berkempen? Show our trust tu, mana-mana yang kita patut mau trust, because takkan kau kena perlu bias. Of course kamu bagi periuk nasi, tapi we do our job mah.
We do our job.
You have to pay.
We want improvement as well, which is why we voice our opinion to you. That is freedom of speech.
By saying so, tidak semestinya kami cakap begini, kami tidak suka ada kerajaan now. Tidak semestinya pun.
True that.
So
I love PM.
Yeah, of course I love PM juga. Whoever govern the head of the headmaster lah.
Yeah, the head of the
principal
country lah.
Yeah. So memang kita support whoever it is.
we support.
The thing is mesti ada flaws yang boleh diperbaiki dan bagi aku kalau mau demokrasi, kasih demokrasi betul. Memang berperlambagan tapi probably dia orang risau tentang macam mana
Backlash kah?
backlash satu hal. Macam bagaimana apa akan berlaku kalau dia orang benarkan begitu. Dia orang tidak belum tahu.
Probably a paranoid punya
dia
mindset lah kan.
mungkin dia orang rasa risau dikecam. Zaman sekarang lagi social media is very
what
everybody's on social media lah.
Yeah,
for sure
everything
lah.
is very viral.
Tengoklah Cikgu Fadli pun daripada live dia juga.
Yeah, betul.
And it went viral.
Yeah, true that.
So bagi aku, if whoever reach this lah, especially for the orang bilang wakil rakyat lah, bagi aku kalau kamu dapat sampaikan, I think muda is quite good lah.
Same here.
Yeah,
I would think the same way.
Feeling despite Syed Saddiq and everything, jangan pasal Syed Saddiq or what, but pasal the vision, pasal the what, kita kebanyakan lah, if you want to know, bukan semua, I mean most of the people sudah malas dengan all these old tarts.
I know.
All these people yang sudah lama memegang sebuah jawatan yang and
same thing all over again if you change the government.
So kasih try lah. I mean Khairi Jamaluddin will be the age nanti, bagi dia try. He's also for me visionary and I think he's very opinionated, yang very self-opinionated, yang aku rasa dia ada dia punya sendiri.
And he's fresh ideas and all that, yeah man.
True, and Syed Saddiq also one of it. So kalau aku bagi yang umur begitu sudah, it's the time.
It's time for youngins to climb up and lead the country.
Banyak orang-orang yang macam yang pacik-pacik pula yang alah, dia orang mana kan ada pengalaman. I mean, dulu pun kau begitu bah.
Ya bah.
Yeah, so why
kau
not?
Kau nak bagi chance, macam mana dia orang dapat pengalaman?
Net ada cakap, dia bilang si Net, only the people, the youngie saja yang tahu what is the trend now and everything. Need the people yang tahu the trend, tahu the environment sekarang ini yang handle the country.
Betul.
Because the old people they don't know this thing. Betul, they cannot catch up.
They are still with the golden age of the back then.
Kita pun susah mau catch up pasal TikTok. Apalagi yang tua daripada kita. Kan?
I think it's Syed Saddiq.
Yeah.
He's on TikTok.
Syed Saddiq, not Siddiq.
Syed Saddiq.
Well, okay. That's about it. We're gonna play a game.
Yeah, man.
It is called a voice chat menakutkan dari member.
Voice chat lah.
Yeah.
Voice chat atau chat lah kan?
Voice chat atau chat lah.
Okay.
Yang menakutkan lah.
Dari member kah?
Whoever lah.
Whoever lah kan. Okay.
For example lah.
Alright.
Net pernah post di Facebook Kinabalu Podcast. Producer pernah post di Kinabalu Podcast dulu.
Facebook.
Apa dia tulis tu? Benda yang menakutkan apa ada dia post yang menakutkan.
Nanti saya transfer kah itu kata.
Apa lagi yang menakutkan, dia bilang okay nanti saya transfer.
Oh my god.
I don't know if the TikTok punya algorithm works, but we'll try lah.
Yeah, we'll try.
Okay. You gonna start first?
You want to choose?
Okay, let's do this.
1, 2, 3.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Kau dulu. Kau kalah kan?
Kalah. Go first lah. Okay. Okay. Voice chat dari member yang menakutkan untuk didengar lah ni member lah. Okay. Kita plan something and nanti dia bilang sudah plan ni. Bah nantilah saya inform kau.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Deliverance are wrong.
Oh ya kah gitu kan?
Yeah. Tapi okay. You'll get after this, after I did.
Alright.
After I do mine.
Okay.
Alright. Bro. We've been staying in the house in the same house for so long time now. I'm gay.
Isyalah. Bodoh. Itu betul. Saya nak tahu macam mana mau react kau kalau gitu. Macam ada udang di sebalik batu.
Okay.
Kalau saya pindah.
We don't need to elaborate. This is the game lah.
Oh gitu kan. No need elaborate lah.
Okay, one more I'll give you.
Okay, give me.
Bro, malam ni macam this month macam a little bit tight lah bro.
Alamak.
Boleh kah? Boleh kah? Boleh pinjam RM1,000 kah?
Alamak.
Boleh pinjam RM1,000?
RM1.
Boleh pinjam RM1,000?
Alamak.
That's one of it lah.
Okay.
No need to tell the scenario. No need to elaborate.
Okay. Alright, okay. Okay. Ini okay. Can be anyone kan? Bukan saya member kan? Your line is barred.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. Saya bagi lagi satu.
Okay.
Your account is overdue.
Alamak,
Itu
shit,
macam
man. Okay, mine. I'm gonna try now. Anda telah melepasi bayaran tunggakan sebanyak
itu sial lah.
pegawai kami tengah
bikin takut. Shit, man.
pegawai kami sedang berlegar-legar dan akan pergi ke premis anda.
Alamak.
Shit.
Ini apa ni ha?
Well, utang lah.
Ini tarik kereta
Tarik
ni
kereta
kan?
kah? I don't know. Ya. Sial kan?
Wih, okay, sorry.
Alright.
Okay, ini
Okay.
sial lah. Ini mungkin saya sendirilah.
Alright.
Because I get a lot of this. Bro. Okay, kau bayangkan dalam chat WhatsApp tu lah. Dia bro dulu.
Alright.
Boleh minta tolong kah?
Okay.
And then dia tidak reply.
Oh, okay. Alright. I think you should act. I think we should act.
Oh ya kan.
I think we should act. Then this joke will jadi because kita ada dua, boleh lah.
Kan
bro. So okay. You
Kita akan tadi lah.
Okay, try.
Chat bro.
Kenapa bro?
Boleh minta tolong kah?
Okay, apa bro?
Begini apa ni masalah saya. Saya betul-betul minta tolong kau ni.
Okay. Alright.
Tapi kalau nak boleh nak apalah.
Okay.
Saya
apa bro? Apa?
Anu apa ini? Saya utang along mah.
Kejap bro. Hello. Kejap bro. Ada call. I'll call you back.
Okay bro. Atur je. Tidak call balik.
Kau on call with you. Suddenly ada call juga kau. Okay.
Anak begitu betul. Mam saya call. Nanti saya call kau balik.
Ya. Bodoh lah ni joke. Okay. I mean our joke. Okay. We will try. We'll try more. Okay.
Okay.
Ada call and
Okay.
hello. Kami dari Aeon.
Aku benci ya. Saya nak suka.
Okay. One more. Hold on.
Okay.
Hello Yamisa. Kami daripada Kuku. Wow, man, I have to say, man, I'm sorry. I have to say this out loud, lah. Okay, we got no problem with Kuku or whoever.
We don't have any problems, man. Serious, yeah.
But after we finish pay the whole scheme, sama ada beli terus ke ataupun kau on by installment or something. If they habis sudah, it's ours.
Yeah.
You don't push for your service, man. Don't pushy sangat, bro.
Oh, dia balik call
Call me, call net. Pushy not. Oh, man.
Dia minta kau beli macam tilam, kuku.
No.
Begitu kah?
Dia minta kau bayar the servicing. Because you need to service dah for sure lah.
Alamak.
And then dia bukan kau beli bayar sekali-sekali. Bila kau macam dia service baru bayar, you have to pay the whole year. Which is the whole year I think 3 kali saja kah?
How much? 1,000
dah sampai 1,000 tapi
ratus lah
ratus lah juga.
Goodness me.
I mean kau sudah. And then okay, of course we know the responsibility. Kau mau minum air bersih kan tak kah, begitu kan. We do know that. Tapi kami sudah bayar habis. Bukan kami siapa, banyak cerita orang lain. But kau contact, kau WhatsApp with many numbers and kau call many times.
That is spamming, man.
Ya, memang kena spam habis so.
Ya. Lepas tu kami install Truecaller, kami kasih label kau as spam.
Kami label kau as kuku.
Agent babi. Tu dah gitulah itu.
Well, we're gonna take a short break, Ken. We'll be doing better jokes on the part 3 lah.
Okay.
This dah jadilah.
I'm actually pumped up, man.
Yeah. Let's go to the third one. Let's do a no laugh challenge lah.
Sure thing, man. Sure thing.
Of course, we're gonna take a short break. We will be right back. Right after this, pengajar kami adalah orang Kota Marudu tinggal Jepun, Johan, yang kini berada di Amerika.
Yeah, man. Follow Johan's journey promoting Aomori Japan on YouTube.
Yeah, man. Subscribe, like juga share channel Lagu Dari Langit di YouTube. Cari playlist sana Orang Kota Marudu tinggal Jepun dan kenalilah Aomori di sana.
Ya, cari jangan tidak dicari. Untuk mengetahui lebih lanjut, layari www.kinabalupodcast.com hari ini.
Hi, my name is Rida Didi, the creator of Kadanox. You are listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.
Chapter systems are offline.
Number one for today's hits and all-time favorites.